What's up, gang? I'm gonna this is attempt number 2 today at an oil change for the Warthog. So yesterday I was having some trouble and I think I just got my left from my right mixed up. But I'm gonna get back under there today and we're gonna take a look and see. Should be a good day, should be a good time. So I'm gonna get out here. There's Cal. Cal's my chief inspector, chief assistant for the day. And yeah, get this done. Hey, Cal. Hey, Cal. That's Master Mechanic Calvin. Oh, here we go. Here's back. Master Mechanic Calvin. What up, Cal? Cal. Cal. That's awesome. Yeah, Cal, how's it looking? Good work. Cal. Give me a 15, Cal. Thanks. All right, let's turn her on. See what happens. Yeah, that's good. Put all the tools away. Branch back. This has been the Cat's Pajamas. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see what antics Calvin and I get into next. And let me know what you think down in the comments. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. It takes only a couple seconds, but it makes a big difference for me. Thanks so much. Until next time.